So, good evening, good evening, good evening. This is the last of the free transfer videos of the day. I did three today, and I did two yesterday because I fell asleep. So, don't hate me like Top Gooners and super fans do because I spit truth. But big up to everybody who is watching this video. Make sure you do smash the thumbs up. Make sure you do share the video. Big up to every one of you who are subscribed to the channel. The subs are flying, the views are lit. Big up to all of you that show mad love as well. And big up to everybody who has been hitting the thanks option down there as well, which is next to the share option on the same line on there as the thumbs up or down. Big up to everybody who has put a donation in. I do genuinely appreciate it. And I've replied to everyone who has put a donation in on all the videos. I've been scrolling through them, making sure that I don't miss any. Some of them have gone held for review. YouTube do this if it's certain words or certain triggers or whatever it may be. It goes into a held for review. And then I have to go into that to then check up comments. And I'll be honest with you, the amount of comments I get on each video, it is long. But luckily for the guy that put the donation in, I did see that. So big up to you, my friend, and big up to everybody who's showing mad love on this channel. But we are going to talk about Eddie Nketiah now. Seriously, this club, we've announced today that Mohamed El Sideways has been given a new contract for 1 year with an option of another year. We're linked to Sammy Abraham, who's going to be playing in the Conference League final in a few hours as I record this. And now, David Ornstein, the Arsenal puppet. If you behave yourself, Ornstein, we will give you the Josh Kroenke interview, the exclusive. Oh, okay, yes, no drama, no problema. Unbelievable, Jeff. He is now reporting, so he's obviously had that little scoop. Charlie Watson, Wheatley and Ben should be in bits. How comes they didn't get the exclusive? But Eddie Nketiah, the call me merchant, who scored 5 goals. Oh, but starts and goals and blah, blah, blah. Oh, he's amazing. He's playing with anger. He's this, he's that, and blah, blah, blah. He's got a point to prove. He was let go by Chelsea. Let's just have it right, mate, yeah? He is not going to get us to a title. So let him go. We actually rejected 20 million pounds sterling. The Queen's Head, 20 million. We rejected that when he had 6 months left on his contract. Ah, dear. But West Ham and Crystal Palace are sniffing around like a rat up a drain pipe. They are looking for Eddie Nketiah's services. But the Arsenal puppet that is David Ornstein, Pornstein, Fraudstein, whatever you want to call him, has tweeted out today and said that he has done a 180-degree hard J-turn. Then he flipped it another 180. Then he's decided he's going to stay. So he's gone 360. He doesn't want to leave anymore. He actually wants to stay at Arsenal. This is, again, down to this fraudulent manager, the most fraudulent manager in Premier League history, convincing another average footballer to stay at the football club. That's now Rob Holding that he's kept, gave a new deal to. Protecting his value, they all dressed it up as. What value? He's worth 50 quid either way. Like, come on. Granit Xhaka. Oh, but he gives us more balance in midfield. Mate, the guy's dross. He is actually dross. He is the turning circle of the Titanic. Granit Xhaka is Albanian for pass backwards and get red cards. That's what it means. Real talk. Google it. And then he gives Mohamed El Sideways a new contract. So that's 3 Wenger-era players, by the way. We were supposed to be getting rid of the Deadwood. Instead, this guy's giving them new contracts. Now he wants to give Eddie Nketiah a 5-year contract. David Ornstein is reporting a 5-year contract. David Ornstein would not tweet that out to over 1 million followers unless he's 100% sure Arsenal have offered that. Not that I rate Ornstein. He is the puppeteer, or the puppet, sorry. Arsenal were the puppeteers. He's the puppet. But he's tweeted that out there to over 1 million people. So he's not going to put that out there unless he's got concrete proof that that has happened or been told by the club that that has happened. You tweet that out for us, Dave. Yeah, you tweet that out, mate, and we get Josh Kroenke to come and sit and do an interview with you. This is how it works, people. Wake up, smell the coffee, rise and shine. No problem. Yeah, come on. This is how easy it is to manipulate fans. Yeah, this is how easy it is that Arsenal and the media manipulate. Look at Vinay, very good speaker, speaks very well, doesn't he? Very well-spoken guy, uses good phrases, good buzzwords. Edu, very good speaker. Again, buzzwords, speaks well. Mikel Arteta, very good speaker. But when you actually dissect what they're saying, I can see through their BS. But all three of them, Josh is another one. There's four. The whole hierarchy of Arsenal Football Club are very good speakers, aren't they? And people like people that show authority, that are decisive. They're telling you what they want to be told. You know, like they're going to get their words out and they're going to say what you want them to say, and they're going to make you dream big. When the reality is, all they're doing is actually crushing your dreams and finessing you. Eddie Nketiah, the call me merchant. Sorry, mate, not good enough. Never be good enough. Go and play for Doncaster or Norwich or someone like that. He couldn't even get a game at Leeds United. He was coming off the bench in the Championship. But this is a guy that we're going to give a 5-year contract to, which means that he will then be 27 years old when that contract ends, and he still won't bag enough goals. It is actually embarrassing. So that's now 4 Wenger-era players that have been signed up by this manager, the mini Wenger, the dictator, to new contracts at this football club. Where are we going as a football club? Because we're supposed to be getting rid of the deadwood. Instead, we're signing them up. We've begged El Neni to stay when he's out of contract. We've begged Eddie Nketiah to stay when he's out of contract. We might as well just go and I don't know, get I don't know, fucking Denilson back. Dust your boots off, mate. Dust them off. Maybe we could go and get back Mustafi and Kolasinac. I mean, Kolasinac is in the Champions League next season, so probably wouldn't want to come back, would he? Really? This comes to shambles, man. Yeah, the quicker people wake up to this rubbish, the better. Because at the end of the day, we are not going anywhere with Eddie Nketiah up front. Yeah, even if we sign another striker, we're linked to Tammy Abraham, we're linked to Calvert-Lewin, we're linked to Jesus. Like, even if we sign these players, does anyone think that that two, plus maybe Martinelli as well in the striker position, are actually going to fire us right up the table? Look at the opposition. Look at the teams we're up against. Erling Haaland, plus all the great forwards that they have, Man City, Foden, Mahrez, Grealish, Bernardo. They got some top players. Sterling. Yeah, although I don't particularly rate Sterling, he knows where the back of the net is. Then you go to Liverpool. They've got Jota, Diaz, Salah, Mane, Firmino, like Origi. He comes off the bench and bags for fun. Then you go to Chelsea. Okay, cool. Kind of different at Chelsea, but they still score goals because they have a system that enables them to score from midfield and from wing-back. So they will always score goals. If they go and fix that problem up front, they'll fly. Then you go and look at Tottenham, Kulusevski. Then you got Son, Golden Boot winner. Then you got Kane, one of the best strikers in the planet, up there with Lewandowski and Benzema. You can put them in any order, them three, and it wouldn't look stupid. Then you look at Man United. As much as I don't particularly rate Ronaldo, he can score goals, and they'll go and get somebody else this summer that will score goals. And then you've got Jadon Sancho. You've got Rashford. Don't rate him either, to be fair, but he does score a few goals here and there. And then you look at us, Eddie Nketiah, and maybe one of Jesus, Calvert-Lewin, or Tammy Abraham. Hardly lighting the league up, is it, people? We're dusted. Not only that, Newcastle have got an unbelievable fuck ton of money, and they are prepared to spend it because they are going to get into a European race, whether it be Champions League or Europa League. They will qualify for Europe next season. One of them two. It won't be Champions League. I think they'll get Europa League next season, maybe Conference League, but then the season after that, they're fully in the top 4 race. Then after that, they're in the title race. What are we doing? Oh, don't worry. Just give this manager another 50,000 windows, another 200 trillion quid, and make up stupid songs about qualifying for Champions League. Dusted football club. Eddie Nketiah, nah, not good enough. This club rewards failure because majority of fans accept failure. 7 games in a row El Neni's played. After 4, our fans were saying give him a contract. Why? Eddie Nketiah scores 2 goals against Chelsea. Give him a contract. Oh, he'll be a good squad player. Oh, fuck off, man, about squad players. Yeah, how about go and get some starting 11 players that are better, yeah? Then we'll talk about the squad players. Unbelievable, Jeff. On that bombshell, have a wonderful evening, people. I'm going to go and watch the Conference League final. Jose Mourinho FC, proper winner. I'm in the winner's circle. I only deal with winners. The guy's record speaks for itself. Winners circle, people. Jose Mourinho, Jose Mourinho, Jose Mourinho. Big up to Maitland Niles and Reece Nelson tonight as well. We're out of here.